Guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be making some Play-Doh. So we're first going to be adding some flour into our bowl. And next we're going to add some salt. Mix the salt and flour together. And then we're going to add some water. It's hard to mix. We're going to add a little bit more of water. Oh, it's getting like Play-Doh already. And we're going to add a little bit more water. Going to add a lot of water. Guys, I'm ready to mix with my hands now. Getting sticky to my hands. It's getting sticky to my hands. So you need to go mixing until it stops sticking on your fingers. Still sticking. Look at my hands, guys. Oh my God. It's like sticking to my hands like everywhere. If it gets too sticky, you can add more flour. Sticky. Very sticky. It's getting cold. It's getting cold in my hands. The special ingredient is coconut oil. So we're going to add 1 spoon of coconut oil. Oh jeez. It's starting to unstick from my hands. Going to make a big Play-Doh here. See guys, it's getting out of my hands now.
Yeah.
It's getting quite easier to mix with my hands now. So it's getting nice and smooth now. Now we're going to separate the dough into 3 parts. So let's roll it into a bowl. Let's make a hole. Just like this one. Next we're going to add the food coloring. Going to add yellow.
Double.
Now we're going to mix it up. our hands. Your hands will get quite dirty. I'm using my slime skills. Now we're going to add a little bit more. You see, it's actually turning yellow. You see, guys, it's almost done. We just need to mix it a little bit more. If it gets sticky, it's okay. You can just add more flour. You see it's getting quite yellow now. Can you see how dirty my hands is? It's okay, you can just wash your hands after you're done. And when you're done, never touch anything with your hands dirty. So it's almost finished. See, it's getting like yellow now, yellowish. Now I'm just going to go and wash my hands to take the paint and the flour, all of the ingredients off my hands. Okay. So I'm back washing my hands. Now we're going to use the type of green color. This type. And let's see how it turns out. I think I need to add a little bit more green. We're just going to mix it up. You can see it's already getting some green. I'm just putting more food coloring. Oh, can you see that pretty color? It's getting so nice. Wow. Guys, look at the type of color. It's getting like so dark. The paint is a little bit sticking. After that, I will just quickly go and wash my hands, just that it doesn't mix with the other paint. And then we'll do one more, and then we'll end the video. So it's all green, but we just first need to mix it all up. So we already have the yellow. Now we're going to use the green. So this one's the green one, the yellow green. I'm just going to quickly go and wash my hands. Now we're going to mix the yellow and the green. So we're first going to use the green. Now the yellow. Now we're going to mix it up to make blue Play-Doh. Look at my hands. They're not turning like kind of bluish. Like turning kind of bluish. A jungle color. I can see a little bit of blue. So these are the two colors what we made. Now we're going to make the last one. Maybe it's more yellow. It's kind of turning like light green. Hi guys, I just came back from washing my hands and these are the three colors what we just made. Light green, yellow and dark green. And I hope you enjoy watching this video and remember to subscribe if you want to watch more videos and click the like if you like this video and ring the bell. Bye guys, I will see you in the next video.